I'm Kendra, and today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect s'more. You're going to need graham crackers, marshmallows, and a good old chocolate bar. Okay. Now, kids, the first thing I want to tell you is before you do anything with fire or anything with heat, you need to have an adult present. Okay, super important. So what I have is my graham cracker broken into two pieces, and I have a piece of chocolate on it. And now I'm just going to put my marshmallow on here, my handy dandy marshmallow roaster, and then I'm just going to put it over the fire. Now, a lot of people like their marshmallows burned to a crisp. I don't. I like just to get it a nice golden brown, but you make the marshmallow however you want. Again, please make sure you have an adult present. You should never play with fire. If you choose to do this on your stove, you also need to make sure you have a parent present. All right. I sure wish that this was on the beach. Every Thursday night, we have a beach party on Galveston State Park where we have hot dogs and then go out and play recreation games, and then we roast s'mores. So this is how I like my marshmallows. Squeeze it out. It's okay if part of the marshmallow comes out. That's fine. And then you have a perfect, good old s'more. We hope to see you next summer. Join us on the beach so that we can cook s'mores with you. That's delicious.